Camshaft 1777. So this is quite a popular cam offering from Camshaft. Really nice camshaft, works good with the stock converter, but works even better with a converter. Just works great all round in the 6 litre and the 6.2s, LS3s. So really nice camshaft. So it's got really good street manners, nice on the brake, got good engine vacuum, and it allows you to pretty much have your rowdy LS to a sort of cam feel, but without needing something a little bit over the top. Sometimes the bigger cams are just a little bit too much, and I wouldn't call this a big cam, I wouldn't call it a small cam, I'd call it more of a friendly street cam, and it works really, really nice, even better in the LS3s. And this particular car here is an LS3. It's got one of our RB converters in there, which we sort of call those converters like a 28 3200 stall speed, and that's indicative on what the actual engine combination is. So in this case, the converter is actually flaring up to around that 3300, so it's more like a 34, 33. But yeah, works really well. We've also decided with this build to go with a set of cylinder heads. So this particular customer, he wasn't really interested in revving it much more than sort of 5,000, 6,000, which is cool. But he also didn't want to lose too much in the bottom. So we tried to build a package that would give him the most amount of torque and power in the bottom, most amount of power in the top, but with the most friendly street manners, because this is something he brings out on the weekend, gets the missus in the car, they go for a cruise, go for a drive, not really thrashing it around or just holding it pegged everywhere they go. So they want something that's still nice to drive, good manners, streetable, not a pig, makes power, sounds good, and pretty much the Crow 1777 with a set of heads and the RB converter just ticks the spot perfectly. We've got that with a VCM OTR, and then it's got a DPE twin 3-inch exhaust on it. And being a wagon, the wagons do get real boomy inside. So when you put the wrong cam in a wagon, they can become a bit unpleasant to drive. And putting a 3-inch exhaust on them can also do the same thing. So when someone comes to us with a wagon, we always have to sort of fine tune the package, just bearing that in mind. So if you do have a wagon, there's a reason why we sort of go down a certain path. Let's have a look at all the fancy techie data. So once I get my camera to buzz around. So the cam specs, in this case, so Crow, let's see if we can get that up there. Crow 1777, it's on a 113 lobe separation, and it is when I can find it, it is where is it, 226, 236, so there it is right there. So it's not a big cam, so to speak, but big enough to make some decent power. So you see on the dyno sheet, once we get it up there, it's no slouch. 365 kilowatts in this case, 577 Newton meters, and you can see by the RPM, so it flares up at 3,400 RPM off the converter, and pretty much peak torque is around sort of that 4,600 revs, holds at the 5,600 revs, and then peak power is at around that 6,600 revs. So getting back to what I was saying earlier, the customer wasn't overly interested in sort of revving it too hard. So you can see when it gets off the converter and he gets into it, 4,000 to sort of 5,800 is around its peak torque area, which is going to make the car accelerate and feel fun to drive on the street, give it that real punchy feel, and just make it a good all-round nice street car to drive without being too over the top. So, sometimes bigger isn't always better, and I say it in a lot of my videos. Every camshaft combination that we do for our customers, based on what we have learned over all our camshaft testing, comparing all different brands and all the different parts available and so on, is that we've got a really good database now. So when you come to us and you give us some very basic information and we ask the questions and you answer them correctly, we can get it pretty close to what you actually want from your car. Because we have had times where people come away, they go away from a cam job and they come back a month later and they hate the car. So it's really important that you build something that you are going to like and going to want to drive, because nobody wants a car that's no fun to drive. So yeah, so when you're ready to do a build, give us a call, speak to myself. Jesse's in the front end now. We can tailor a package to get pretty damn close to what you're expecting from the car, and I reckon we can get it right just about every time. So, but anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like the Crow 1777. It's a really great camshaft for your LS3. Australian-made product here in Melbourne. And yeah, it's a great camshaft, works really well. Back it with the right parts, Blackwell CNC cylinder heads, VCM intake and DPE, all great Aussie products, and they work really nice together. So thanks again. Don't forget, all these are available on our online store. Got them in stock, ready to go, and www.independentmotorsports.com.au. And if you want to keep up to date with what we do, click the bell, subscribe, and you'll get a notification. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.